Fractions. Change mixed numbers to improper fractions. We call it the MAD method to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. And the reason is we're going to break down MAD into M, which is going to be 4, multiply, and then we're going to multiply the denominator and the whole number together. So say we had a fraction that was 3 1/5. Well, the M is to multiply these numbers together. Then A is for add. We're going to add the product, so for this example, the 3 times 5, which would be 15, to the numerator. So we're going to add the 15 plus the 1. So we're going to, I'll circle the A, and so that means we are adding the product of this 3 times 5 plus this 1. Now, D is for our denominator. And the denominator stays the same. So we would write this then. We would multiply this 3 times 5, which is 15. Then we're going to add that to the 1, so we get 16. So that's after the step 2, and then we're going to keep our denominator. So this is how we would write our improper fraction here. But let's do some more examples. So example 1. A recipe calls for 2 1/2 cups of flour. Write the mixed number as an improper fraction using the MAD method. So let's rewrite this. 2 1/2 becomes, well, we'd multiply this 2 times 2. So that would equal 4. And then we go ahead and add it to this 1. So we get 5. And then we keep our denominator. So just to kind of rewrite this, we would go 2 times 2 plus 1, and we keep our denominator, which is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5, which is over 2. So in case that helps you see it in a different way. Let's do another example. Example 2. In an electrical series circuit, the total resistance is 416 ohms. Write the mixed number as an improper fraction using the MAD method. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as 4 1/6. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply these numbers together. So 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Then we go ahead and add this number with this number. So 24 plus 1, which is 25. So that is our new numerator. We're going to keep our denominator. So 25 over 6. And that would be our solution. Now let's do one final example. Example 3. Write the mixed number 4 2/5 as an improper fraction using the MAD method. So let's go ahead and rewrite this as 4 2/5. Now we're going to multiply these numbers together. So we get 4 times 5, which is equal to 20. Then we're going to go ahead and add the 2 to the 20, to the product of it. So this is the product of 4 times 5 is 20. So then we go 20 plus 2, which is equal to 22. So 22 becomes our new numerator, and then we always keep our denominator. So it's just 22 over